Hello YouTube, Anything's Possible Music here, how are we? Two bits of good news. The first is my second album, Ambient Darkness, is out. It's a drone album which doesn't actually use my basses. It's just a really nice adventure into chill out music and relaxing music, which is all part of my sort of vibe about Anything's Possible. The second bit of great news is I managed to get on a Spotify playlist, and this is the whole point of this video. You think I should be happy. I'm trying to sound happy, but I'm not. I'm absolutely disappointed and fuming. And I'm going to show you why. I mean, has this happened to you before? Have you been absolutely disappointed by getting on a Spotify playlist? I literally woke up on the Sunday, 2 days after the release, and saw an email that I'd been added to a playlist. And I thought, that's brilliant news. Brilliant news. Honestly, I'm finally on a playlist. And honestly, 24 hours later, I'm like, oh, what? And I'm going to show you why. So please check out this video. I'm just going to show you some evidence. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. And please check out one of my songs off the album because it is extremely relaxing. So thank you for watching. Let's continue with this video. So, thank you for watching. This is the cover to my album. So, basically, what happened was my album came out on the Friday, went out partying on the Saturday, and on the Sunday I got an email that I saw, and it said, "You've been added to a playlist." And I thought, wow, that's brilliant news. I'm finally on a playlist. And I looked at this email, and I'd been added to this drone playlist, and I saw, well, it's got 21,822 followers, and they're generally going to be real followers. So I thought I was really going to get a lot of streams. So if we go and have a quick look at my album on Spotify, please check it out as a thank you for doing this. If you just fancy a little relax, it's really nice. Now, it's 13 tracks. Now, I did pitch the Atmosphere track to them. It's personally not my favourite on the album. Please check out Droplets because that's amazing. But so I pitched it to them and I was successful. And as you can see, I've saved it up there. Now, I'm going to ask you a quick question. How many streams and followers would you hope to gain from Spotify playlist with like over 20,000 followers? I really thought, without even looking at the playlist, I thought I was going to get a couple of thousand streams. I was really sort of positive that this was going to make a big difference. So please drop a comment and let's all have a game. So let's go and have a look at the drone playlist. So there it is. It's just long, dark and sustained. So it is what I was trying to get it onto. It's that sort of playlist. And 60 songs with 21,000 followers. And I immediately saw that people were getting on there for just 2 days. Now I was like, so I tried to find my track, and it's like, well, where is my track? It's like, it's not on there. Is this wrong? It's like, why is my track not on there, despite just literally looking at the email not long before? So it's clearly that you're only going to be on there for 2 days. So the chances of getting the streams that I really wanted are just pointless, really. So I was like, well, I'm going to quickly go and have a look at my Spotify for artists and see actually how many streams I got. So come on, let's have a quick guess. Right, so here we go. The editorial playlist, the first one I've been on, and I got 12 streams. 12 streams. Honestly, I am gutted. Honestly, I'm gutted. 12 streams. I thought, do you know what? I was going to get thousands. I thought I was really gonna think. So what do you think? I mean, obviously, I'm gutted. Would you have been disappointed? I know I am. So YouTube, what did you think of that? I am obviously massively disappointed. I mean, I'm gonna see what happens and whether or not I get on any other playlist. But to be on a playlist for such a little amount of time, after thinking I was going to get so many views, I just think it's so sort of disappointing. So have you experienced anything similar? I mean, if you were on a playlist, how long was you on there for? Please drop a comment because we obviously want to make sure we're not feeling disappointed with all this, because I really wanted to get on a playlist, and I thought I was going to be there for like a couple of weeks. It would really sort of propel my stream numbers and go up into the thousands. And I was like, oh, is that it? Really? It's just all that effort and just, oh, you know. So I am very disappointed. And have you experienced anything similar? That's the whole point of this video. I mean, let's share our feedback on getting on playlists, because we all want to get on there, and then when we get on there, that happens. It's like, well, what's the point, really? I mean, what's the alternative? So please drop your comments. Thank you for watching this video, and all the best. Hopefully you get more streams than I do. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.